There are some misinformation about the Galaxy S23 Ultra design, and now as we're getting closer to the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra, things are getting clear on how your new Galaxy S23 Ultra will look like from the front and most importantly from the back. And the tipster exynos confirmed the design of Galaxy S23 Ultra. And I'm pretty sure everyone will like this. He shared the image of Galaxy S23 Ultra back cover redesigned by AI. But let me share some exclusive information about the back design of Galaxy S23 Ultra. But before that, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Galaxy S23 Ultra camera lenses will be different than what we are getting on the S22 Ultra. Look at the design, it looks like the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, so your new camera glass will be safe if you drop your phone. And this was confirmed almost a month ago, where he shared the similar design of Galaxy S23 Ultra, and now it is confirmed as we are getting this type of a design on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. By adding additional protection, Samsung is going to add new Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the rear cameras, which will improve the quality and low light images. And just in case if you guys don't know, Galaxy S23 Ultra rear lenses will be slightly bigger than what we have seen on the S22 Ultra. Let me know in the comments which one did you like, S22 Ultra design or S23 Ultra design. There are some interesting figures I want to share with you guys, and Galaxy S23 Ultra is improving every time we get the benchmarks. A Geekbench score of Galaxy S23 Ultra is here, and now it's finally reached the 5000 mark as we get the 1538 single core score and 5000 multi-core score. But before this, we were getting somewhere around 4600 multi-core score, so a big improvement is here. But the normal Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is already ahead of S23 Ultra, although Samsung is going to put a special edition Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in the S23 Ultra, which will be overclocked at 3.36 GHz instead of 3.19. And this new processor will also going to come with the great power efficiency numbers, where we're going to get 40% CPU power efficiency and 45% GPU power efficiency. A perfect update we wanted from a Galaxy S23 Ultra to improve the battery life. Exclusive as it sounds like, Samsung is going to change the display design of Galaxy S23 Ultra, where now we are going to get a flatter display compared to the S22 Ultra, and the sides are squared off, which makes S23 Ultra looks much thicker than the S22 Ultra. Although along with the flatter display, Samsung is going to add a new technology in it, the new LTPO 3.0 display, which helps S23 Ultra to give 2200 nits peak brightness, way brighter than 1750 nits on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. As per recent reports from Korean media, Samsung is planning the Unpack event in person in San Francisco in the earlier Feb, and phones will hit the market somewhere around 17th of Feb. If you guys want to see the real sample of Galaxy S23 Ultra 200 megapixel camera, then you guys should watch this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.